viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are going to also discuss about TokenPocket wallet, and in this video we are going to import our other wallet with 12 backup phrases. So how can I do this? Is so simple and easy. Please watch this video till end. In this video I'm giving to complete information, but first of all please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So as sometimes you need to use two accounts in one account. Means if you are using already TokenPocket wallet and you have already of other wallet 12 phrases and you want to import. So in this video I'm giving to complete information. Please don't skip this video if you need to get full information about how to import a wallet. So first of all we are going to log in our wallet. You can see here I have entered my password. You know my account is password protected, and enter my password now. They click on unlock, then the wallet will be open in front of me. You can see here the wallet is open in front of me, and we have in last video discussed about how we can add token wallets or coin wallets in our TokenPocket wallet. So you must my last video is also very informative for you. But today we need to just add or import new wallet with 12 phrases. So how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. Simple, go to the click on three lines. You can see here there is shown three lines, and then you can see here we have already only one account, and if we need to import other account with 12 phrases, so I will use second option, import accounts. If you need to import other account with 12 phrases, you can use this tab. Then the option will be open in front of you, recovery phrases. Imported account will not associate with the secret recovery phrases you originally created. So you just keep in your mind, if you have created already your wallet of TokenPocket, so keep in your mind this wallet is not associated with that security recovery phrases. Okay, enter your security phrases to here to restore your wallet. So I have already my recovery phrases in my notepad file of other account. So going to open the file. Now you can see here this is my recovery phrases of other account. Just simple copy and going to paste here. I have pasted here my recovery phrases, and there is shown the option is import wallet. Import. There's second first option cancel, and second option is import. Click on import. Now viewers, you can see here we have successfully add other wallet with 12 phrases. If you want to confirm, so you can see here there is shown account number 2, and you can also click on three dot, and you can see here the our basic account or first account is account number 1, and we have successfully add new account with 12 phrases. That's account name number is 2. So this way is very easy way. You can easily import multiple account on this single wallet, and you can use it. Let's suppose you want to, if you want to use account number 1, simple click on it. Now the account number 1 is selected. You can see here HD, and if you need to use other account, simple click on that tab or account number. So you can see here the account number 2 is shown in front of me. So before going to stop this video, you keep in your mind you must take the backup of your all wallets, because if you have backup then you can easily import your wallet with your phrases. So how can you take the backup? I already make the video on my YouTube channel. You go to my YouTube channel, but I am also giving you little bit information about it. Simple click on this arrow if you need to find or backup your phrases. So simple click on arrow button. and this first option is that export recovery phrases. You can see here they are shown export recovery phrases, and then enter your password because this information is sensitive, so that we just need to enter our password here, and then click on confirm.
अपने बच्चों को पोलियो के खतरे उनके महफूज मुस्तकबिल की खातिर, 2 बूंद
Now
पाकिस्तान के मुस्तकबिल की खातिर.
the system is verifying, and now you can see here in this step you will see the recovery secret recovery phrases, 12 phrases that can restore the wallet. Please remember the following key. So you can see here there is already shown the caution. If you have your recovery phrases, then you can easily recover, and you must read these tips or option and also click on it. Then you can easily find your recovery phrases. Click on understood, and then you can see here there is my recovery phrases. This is my recovery phrases of my second wallet, so I must also save this recovery phrases on my notepad file, because when I need to recover restore my account, then this recovery phrases will help for me. You must also take the screenshot of this QR code. Let's suppose your file is missed of recovery phrases. If you have screenshot of this QR code, you can easily scan QR code scanner from your mobile and get same recovery phrases at again your site. Okay, so viewers, I hope you properly understand. If you want to import your wallet with 12 recovery phrases, if you have a multiple account and you have phrases of that account, so you can easily import in this one wallet and you can use. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. And viewers, if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is cryptowalletsinfo, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wars. You can also watch my all video from my YouTube channel. Then my channel will be boosted and I will motivate it from your side, and I will make more videos about cryptocurrency wallets. So sometimes I am not giving you properly response because I am busy with other my channels and I recording. So please don't be angry, and please be patient about your reply. I must read your comments and I will must reply to your any questions, and I hope I will resolve your problem. If you need to get information about how to deposit, how to withdraw, how to find private key, you just leave the comments 2 or 3 times. So I must read your comments and I will resolve your problem. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.